Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a heated topic making waves in Zimbabwe. President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the ongoing debate over his term limits. So here's the scoop. Zimbabwe's President Mnangagwa has been in the spotlight recently. He's publicly denied any plans to seek a third term in office. But the buzz from his party, ZANU-PF, tells a different story. There are slogans and whispers suggesting his presidency could extend all the way to 2030. Now, Mnangagwa insists he's all about respecting the constitution, which caps presidents at 2 5-year terms. He made this promise during a ZANU-PF party gathering aiming to quash the rumors, but not everyone is buying it. Critics like lawyer Brighton Mutabuka are skeptical. They're pointing fingers at past instances where the ruling party tweaked the constitution for its benefit. A big red flag came in 2021 when the Constitutional Court let Chief Justice Luke Malaba extend his tenure. This move shook a lot of people's trust in the system. Fast forward to a recent twist. Mnangagwa has now reportedly abandoned the third-term pursuit. But don't be too quick to celebrate. Instead, he's eyeing other constitutional changes. These proposed amendments are stirring up quite the controversy. They aim to shift key electoral responsibilities from the independent Zimbabwe Electoral Commission to government departments. Critics see this as a move to tighten his grip on power. They argue it could open doors to election manipulation and undermine democracy. Amidst all this political drama, war veterans in Masvingo have stepped into the fray. A retired senior army official and these veterans have slammed the push for Mnangagwa's extended term. They're calling it irrational and a threat to the constitution and peaceful transfer of power. War veteran Western Ezra didn't mince words. He criticized those backing a third term, saying they lack understanding of ZANU-PF's history and values. Retired Major General Gibson Mashingites and other war veterans have echoed this sentiment. They're urging Mnangagwa to stick to his promise and step down after his second term ends in 2028. But there's a twist. Some ZANU-PF provinces like Harare are pushing for constitutional amendments to keep Mnangagwa in power beyond 2028. So what's the takeaway here? Zimbabwe is at a crossroads. The battle between upholding constitutional integrity and political maneuvering is intense. The international community is watching, urging transparency and adherence to democratic principles. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on global political events. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed.